Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, this is a Python tutorial. I'm teaching you how to build a simple IP address tracker program in Python. I'm using PyDroid on my mobile phone. You can also follow, if you have a system with you can also follow it on by using VS Code or PyCharm or whatever editor you're using, Sublime Text. You can follow me. So my PyDroid, I'll just create a new file, and first thing I'm going to do is you go to your terminal and install requests. Pip install request. I've installed mine. So when you install yours, make sure you have an internet connection. So when you install yours, you import requests. Okay, import requests. After that, import JSON. Okay, JSON might be a little bit advanced, but we're going to be using JSON API to get our IP address tracking. So IP address underscore address equal okay. Here we'll write the IP address we want to trace, and we have written the IP address we want to trace. So what we're going to do is simple. I performed a phishing attack and I got an IP address. So I just decided to use the IP address for example purpose. So I'm going to write down the IP address. So requests underscore URL equal. So we're going to specify the API site for our JSON program. So put our link https colon double forward slash geolocation db.com slash JSON p. So what it is in plus IP underscore address. Okay, response equal dot get. results result equals res response plus content dot decode. So go to Inlexter and type result equal result dot split. Okay, here it's a little bit complicated, so I'm going to put another. Okay, oops, sorry about that. Cool, let's go to clean everything and result equal JSON dot loads. Okay, this ought to be in lowercase. So finally, we're going to print our results. So next you have your data on, so we're going to run this code. Okay, we have an error, so go back and fix the error. Okay, I fixed the error. It was just the operand error right in our line number 4, which says request underscore URL equals https geolocation database.jsonp plus IP address. Okay, I fixed the error. Make sure you have an active internet connection before you run your code. else it might generate errors. Okay. My internet connection is active, so I'm going to run my code. Okay. um okay, and okay, yeah, there it goes. It shows our country code is from Nigeria. Your country name is Nigeria. um our latitude, our longitude, my IP version 4 address. Okay, the city, the postal, and the state is not active, cause in here in Nigeria we don't have active GPS stations for active tracking, so APIs like this might not function well in such areas. But you got the whole idea of building your own program for tracking IP address. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share. See you next time.